As you saw in the previous preview, why sous vide was invented, how it came about, and for what reason. Today I'll show you how to prepare chicken breast. I chose chicken breast because it requires a shorter cooking time, about 90 minutes. What we need, of course, is a vacuum sealer, and to have this sous vide device. Essentially, it's a very simple machine. It's a device made up of a thermometer, a heater, and a motor that keeps the water circulating. The point of the whole thing is that this device heats the water to an exact temperature. And that motor continuously circulates the water around the bags containing the food. And that at that exact, precise temperature the cooking takes place continuously. So, we can't overcook this food because we'll set the exact temperature we want. Specifically for chicken breast, the temperature can be between 60 and 65 degrees. I'll do it this way, since in these parts we usually prefer well-cooked food. I'll set it to 64 degrees Celsius, then we'll vacuum seal the chicken, add spices, and cook it for 90 minutes. Let's turn it on right away so the water starts heating. On the back, specifically this machine has a switch on the back. Let's turn the machine on, so we have the temperature we want. As I said, I'll set it to 64 degrees. Next we set the time, an hour and a half, 1 hour 30 minutes, or 90 minutes, then press start. And you see, now the motor is circulating, the water keeps moving and our water is starting to heat up. You see it's 50 degrees now. I immediately poured in hot water and you can see it heats up very quickly. There, you can see the temperature is already starting to rise. So this will heat faster because there's a smaller amount of water and a smaller gastronorm pan. The water heats up very quickly. Just while it finishes heating, we'll vacuum seal our chicken. Here we have chicken fillets. We'll vacuum seal 2 nice fillets like this. We'll put them on a plate and add a little seasoning. Seasonings are added to taste, depending on what we prefer and like, and of course depending on our recipe. We can sprinkle a little pepper. I avoid adding a lot of pepper to chicken fillets because it becomes too noticeable. Maybe white pepper would be a better choice, but it's fine now, no matter. And now we'll put them into our vacuum bag. Let's lower the vacuum bag like this so our chicken fits more easily and stays open. We season the chicken with a little olive oil, and we'll add a bit more olive oil into the bag. We can add butter if we want, or olive oil, whatever the recipe calls for. I decided to add some for aroma, a bit of carrot and 1 stalk of root celery. You can add spices as you like, a sprig of rosemary or thyme, whatever you prefer. It all depends on your recipe. And now that we've added the spices, the meat, and the root vegetables as desired, we straighten the bag, one side then the other, shaping it a bit so it looks like this. That way we arrange it so the piece looks as nice as possible. Listen, the machine just signaled that the temperature has been reached. We vacuum sealed 1 fillet, and now we'll do the other one. We vacuum sealed the fillet, C1, the other, and now we'll put it in our device to cook. The temperature has been reached, and now we simply put our meat to cook. Because we vacuum sealed it, it now has enough weight to sink to the bottom of the container. And now, without worry or fear, it will cook for exactly 90 minutes at exactly 64 degrees. Let's see how much time is left until the end of cooking. It will be done any moment now. 64 degrees. Our chicken cooked for 90 minutes and the time is up. We can stop it. This is 64 degrees. It's warm, even hot, but not boiling, so we can handle it. But just in case, we'll take this pair of tongs to remove the fillet. Here, you can see its structure. We'll move this aside so you can see more easily. Look, so it's cooked evenly, absolutely, on all sides, inside and at the edges. Let's take out the other fillet and now we'll brown it. We'll just sear it in hot fat for a few seconds to get a golden color. So, literally 30 seconds on one side, 30 seconds on the other side, the chicken is done. There are 2 portions here, but I'll plate one now. And while the chicken rests here, I sautéed the vegetables in the same pan to serve as a side. Our vegetables are ready, so we have some peppers and some zucchini, and here we have a vegetable risotto. When plating, we make sure each plate has a balanced nutritional value. So the body's needs for minerals, vitamins, carbohydrates, and of course proteins are met. And now we'll slice our chicken. It's rested now, so cut it gently on the diagonal. So try to slice on the diagonal so the pieces look nicer visually. Here it is, our sous vide chicken breast is ready to serve. Enjoy!